Hey Manish, just do let me know when to start, yeah? Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us. I'm sincerely apologetic towards the non-starting of my camera. My network is a bit dodgy right now, and if I start my camera, it might just create some ruckus during the presentation. So I'm going to switch off my camera, but if you have any questions, please do type them in the chat box. Thank you.
Big wheels keep on turning, carry me home to Sinai, singing songs about the Southland. I miss Alabama once again, and I think it's the same. Well, I heard Mr. Young sing about her. Well, I heard O'Neill put it down. Well, I hope Neil Young will remember. I said a man don't need him
Sanjay will start.
around.
Is that Firoz?
No, this is Monish Sanjay. I think
Monish,
we'll start.
hi. Yeah, sure. Do let me know.
Great. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining in today. We know that it's been a busy schedule with everyone with the Eid coming up soon. You have a lot of holidays and packages that you're busy booking. I'm glad and I would like to welcome each one of you to our special Italy webinar seminar today for covering Trafalgar and Cost Saver. Sanjay is joining us all the way from Trafalgar directly with his team on the call today. Please feel free to ask him any questions during the presentation. He will allow us time during his presentation to ask and raise our questions. You may also feel free to drop those questions in the message box, and we will, as a team from here, will assist to take up these questions directly with the Trafalgar team. Once again, thank you very much for joining in and welcome to our Trafalgar webinar. Over to you, Sanjay.
Thank you, Monish. Thank you, everybody, for joining us this evening. It's an absolute pleasure to be back with you again to share the lovely uh, insights about Trafalgar and Cost Saver trips. As I said, I again would like to say it's an unfortunate thing that I cannot switch on my camera, but due to the network problem out here at this minute, it's just not allowing me. If I start my camera, the presentation might be running into some trouble. So I'm going to switch off my camera at this point of time. Uh, but at the end of the presentation, I'll definitely switch on to answer your questions. In the meantime, if you have any questions, please do type them in the chat box and we'll be more than happy to answer them. So without much ado, let's start. And I'm sure the screen resonates with what we all have been going through. I understand from my friends Munish, Tanvi, Viroz that things in Dubai or GCC region is looking much better. Things are opening up, and this is exactly what people have been thinking over these months of when things are gonna go back and when will we get a chance to rediscover. Now, rediscovery is what's gonna happen in the coming months when people are gonna embark on their journeys, which they have been stalling, which they have been waiting for so many months now. And what better place than to start with Trafalgar? Just to share, I'm sure quite a few of you all would know where does Trafalgar originate from, where does TTC originate from. I'm just going to give you a quick glimpse. If you have any questions on that, please don't
I'm
hesitate to type them
sorry
in
for
chat.
interruption.
Yes.
Sorry for interruption. I just want to highlight one point. The internet is, I think, just little it's not working properly. We are hearing a voice with a lot of breaking voice. If I'm, just wanted to highlight this thing that if you can make some arrangement to make it more clear because your voice is breaking too much.
Sure, sir. So network would be not constant at all the end. Monish, can you hear me properly?
Yes,
Yes,
Sanjay,
Sanjay,
it's
we can.
clear for us. Amir,
Uh,
are you facing this issue when I am talking?
I think there is a
Amir
No,
problem
when
with.
you are talking, the voice is very clear.
is
When
very clear.
Sanjay was talking, it is
Mr. Amir, may I, if I could request, if you could just switch on and switch in again, because see, it's coming in from Bombay to all various places. There might be some lag somewhere. My sincere apologies for that. Can rest of you all hear me properly?
carry on, carry on.
Yes. What I would
Yeah, we
also
can.
request, Amir, re-log in, and just with everybody's interest, I'm going to mute everyone. Sanjay, please unmute yourself because I'll be muting the whole audience.
Monish, you need to unmute me because Monish, are
I
you
will.
there?
Sure, I
I
will.
won't be able to unmute.
Okay, I will. Thank you, Sanjay.
I think, Monish, I think Sanjay is gone on mute if I'm not wrong. I don't know whether he's speaking.
Monish, you will need to unmute Sanjay.
Yes. Sanjay, are you clear now?
Still on mute. He is still on mute.
Sanjay, can you re-log in, please?
Monish, can you hear me?
Yes, I can, Sanjay. It's very clear. Thank you. Welcome back.
Brilliant. I hope everybody, Mr. Amir, can you hear me?
It's very clear now. Thank you very much and sorry for interruption.
Hey, no problem, no problem. Hope this helps. I'm still gonna keep my camera off so that there is no disturbance. Are we good to go?
Yes, Sanjay, please.
All right, brilliant. So thank you guys. Sorry for the interruption in between. You know how technical things work, especially when it's getting aired from different parts of the world. And thanks for bearing with us and staying put. Uh, as I said, I'm going to quickly share with you where Trafalgar originates from. I'm sure there are a lot of people who have heard about it, but for the benefit of the new people who have just joined us, I'm going to quickly share with them our history and where our story began. So when it comes down to Trafalgar, we belong to the TTC family, their travel corporation family. It's an 101-year-old family which has multiple brands inside Vacation, Luxury Gold, Kontiki, roughly around 42 brands as of yesterday evening. I don't know if they bought anything last night, but as of yesterday evening, there are 42 brands that the company owns, and Trafalgar is one of them. Started in 1947 in Trafalgar Square, and that's why it is called uh, Trafalgar Tours. Basically, when it comes down to Trafalgar, just to sum up, who's Trafalgar? 74 years of passion and service that we have been offering to our guests. We've got around 90 plus industry awards um, across the globe. We've got around 5 million happy guests. And you know what? The best part is 53% of them return every year back to travel with us. In terms of rating, we've got 4.7 out of 5. Uh, We travel to 70 plus countries, and why we are so popular among people is because of not just the itinerary that we provide, but because all the other things which add up, the spice that adds up to the holiday that you embark on is what we provide. So I'm sure you would know that there is a regular itinerary that everybody wants to do if they're going to Italy, if they're going to any other destination. But apart from going to the destination, there are key elements that we offer to our guests while they're traveling with us, which makes us so unique and so special. What are the ingredients? People with whom you will meet, places that as a guest you will stay, things that you will experience, definitely the sightseeing and the difference that you make while you're traveling with us. So let's start with the first things first, people whom you will meet. Now, as we say, it's the people that you meet and the stories that you hear which will always remain with you forever. With Trafalgar, we've used our connection, we've introduced you to the people we know, our local friends. When you are traveling to a country, to a place, you want to go and meet those locals there. You want to understand what is the culture. And these people are very proud to show them, to show you their culture, their cuisine, their lifestyle. And that's what exactly we do. And that is the thing that when somebody who travels on Trafalgar comes back, always talks about. And that is the Be My Guest experience. Now, when it comes to a Be My Guest experience, what do we offer? We offer you to bring you to somebody's house, vineyard, olive farm, castles, which has history, heritage, everything for a person to enjoy, to experience of that particular destination. And this is something which everybody has loved. If you look at the extreme right corner of the screen, you'll see a European Dream Italian holiday. Okay. When it comes down to this particular destination, I'm talking of Italy, Castella de Trebbio. This is the very place, if you look at history, uh, this place is based in Florence. And as you know, Florence was made by the Medici, and there was a conspiracy, there was an act to assassinate the Medici family. And guess what? This is the castle where the entire conspiracy was hatched. And that's what we do. We bring you to those particular places which has such strong influence on history. Likewise, there are many other places that we go to. I'm going to showcase you a small video which will bring you to those lovely destinations across Europe. Here we go. At any given point of time, if you're not able to hear, the video is lagging, don't worry. We will be sharing this recording with you. If you want, we can share this video also for you to have a look at it. So let's enjoy our Be My Guest experience.
Sanjay, the audio, the music is not on.
The music is on from my end. There's some problem. Give me a minute. I'm gonna try it again. Guys, sorry. I'm gonna try it again. Let me see. Today we've been having a technical round of challenges. Just a minute. Manish, can you see the screen?
Yes, Sanjay, I can see the screen.
And the audio?
Perfect. The audio is clear.
Thank you.
Since Trafalgar has been coming here 10 years ago, they really changed our lives. They really help us to save this place and also in sharing our history. It really makes me very happy and proud.
What we want to give to our Trafalgar and guests, it's a taste, not just a taste of the food that we cook in our kitchen, but it's a taste of what happened in this castle.
Blackmore is not open to the public. This is a special arrangement we have for Trafalgar guests. It is a really special time for those that visit.
They will see our everyday life. I think that is very important for them because it's very rare.
I find it so wonderful and rewarding that I get to be in my home, open it up to guests, and they love what I do.
Guests tell us, apart from the fact the food is great, what they enjoy is the welcome and being made to be part of our family, as well as getting really under the skin of Scotland with the culture, the music. It gives a kick to the hosts as well as to the guests.
So thank you. I'm sure you felt the warmth and the comfort which our guests, local hosts want our guests to feel when they come to their houses. And there's a lot of history. There's a lot of history that they're happy to share with. That is the first most important thing when people travel with us on our trips, the Be My Guest experience. The second most talked about things are our travel directors. Now, these travel directors are local travel directors. These guys are the ones who bring a destination alive for our guests when they're traveling to these places. They're very, very passionate. They're very, very warm, and they're very, very welcoming. Along with them, we also have our local specialists. Now, local specialists are more than a guide. Now, these guys, they live, they breathe, they eat that particular monument. And when they come along with you, they will explain you that monument to such a beautiful way that that particular monument will come alive for you. And that is the beauty. That's the best part of our local specialists when they travel with you. So these are the people, few of the people that you'll meet along the journey when you embark on Trafalgar. When it comes down to the other thing which a lot of people will talk when they're traveling with us are the places that you'll see. Now, when you travel on Trafalgar, the hotels are located right in the heart of the city. So that way, when you're done with your day, typically a Trafalgar day would start at 8 o'clock in the morning, but ends at 5:30. You have the time to walk out of the hotels, to see the city center, to walk around for your shopping, to walk around for a cup of tea, a glass of wine, whatever is your fancy, or maybe shopping. Now, apart from these hotels, which we are using in the heart of the city, there are also very, very unique stays that we have. And that's what we call it as stays with the story. For example, if you're traveling to Ireland, we have a lovely itinerary, which is the iconic Ireland and Ashford Castle. And this is the Ashford Castle right on your screen, guys, where you get a chance to stay when you're traveling on Trafalgar. I'm going to give you a small glimpse of what this iconic Ashford Castle looks like. If you need to know more about it, please do reach out to us. Apologies.
We lost audio, Sanjay.
Within those landscapes, you
now
find Ashford Castle.
Clear. Just make it a little louder.
When Trafalgar guests arrive to the castle, they arrive to a really warm welcome. We bring you in, get you settled into your room, and then you're free then to explore the estate. We have everything from Ireland's oldest school of falconry to archery, clay shooting, and everything else in between. There's absolutely something for everybody here.
It's a very, very small video because the whole video is very long. I'll be more than happy to share with you all if you need to know more about our Ashford Castle. Moving on, the other thing that everybody wants to do are the experiences while you're traveling on Trafalgar. Now, when you're traveling with Trafalgar, we definitely want you to experience the magic. Like, for example, strolling Germany's oldest Christmas market, or if you're in Paris, visiting a Parisian cook to understand what a Parisian chef does and what is the French cuisine all about, or what is quite popular with people when they visit to France, the perfumes. So visit to a perfume factory. Now, these are the things which a lot of people are looking for. Also, when you come to a very, very unique place, which I personally like while you travel, are the cultures that you imbibe, the eating culture or the drinking culture. And here's something which I wanted to share with you, which a lot of people, when they're traveling with Trafalgar, enjoy the most.
Guinness it's an integral part of Irish society. It really represents the Irish people and our attitudes, and that's reflected in Guinness, because Guinness strives for quality. It's made of more, pride in what you do. And they're all key characteristics what us Irish, we really believe in. What really makes our day here at the home of Guinness is welcoming our guests, including Trafalgar, to this beautiful facility here at St. James's Gate. Guests coming here to the Guinness Storehouse can really indulge themselves and really immerse themselves in all things Guinness. It's a very interactive experience with lots of different key features throughout the building. Coming up the lift then, it's to the Gravity Bar, the jewel in the Guinness crown. Those lift doors are going to open and you're going to be greeted with one of the most beautiful views in Dublin. So you can sit back, relax with your pint of Guinness and take in the breathtaking view.
So these are some of the unique experience while you're traveling with Trafalgar. You will get to experience as a guest. Coming to the sites now, when it comes down to the sightseeing, this is the most important aspect. While you're traveling, you tend to spend a lot of time waiting in the queue. Now with Trafalgar, we have something called a VIP experience. For example, if you're talking of Italy, if you're going to Rome, I'm sure there is no one, I mean, very rarely somebody would want to skip the Vatican. But the challenge with Vatican Museum is it is the long queues. But with Trafalgar, if you're traveling on a Trafalgar, you get a VIP experience. And what is the VIP experience? The beauty is you don't stand in any queue. Neither you stand in the regular queue, nor do you stand in any skip the line or skip the queue. You basically will come out of your coach and walk straight in to the Vatican. And that is what the unique thing of traveling on a Trafalgar holiday is, of the VIP experience that you get. There are times when our guests, when they come to Vatican, they are surprised to see that they have been allowed to come into Vatican even before it is open to a normal public. And that is what when we say it's a VIP experience. And these experiences we provide across the globe at key monuments. That is what leaves a great story for you to tell when you come back, because the moments, the time that you get to see Vatican is great. Because if you come into Vatican when there are a lot of people, you hardly get to say anything. But imagine walking into this monument without many people around. That is what makes it very special. Coming to the other most important thing is difference that you'll make while traveling. Now, imagine going to Italy and visiting a person called Marta. She has been doing handloom from her Italian loom, which has been operating from 17th century. And that is what we do. And that is exactly what we do, that we offer you great experiences while traveling, but also trying to make things very special for those local communities who are ready to welcome you when you visit their house. When it comes down to journey, the most important thing is traveling on the road. The coach, the vehicle that is going to take you out. On Trafalgar, all the coaches are from the inception to the retirement. The span is only 5 years. So all the coaches are brand new for you to embark on and to enjoy the luxury that you would need or look forward to when you're traveling to a new country. Well, when it comes down to people, you will meet people across the globe. We have nationalities traveling from New Zealand, Australia, Singapore, Malaysia, Philippines, Indonesia, India, Sri Lanka, South Africa, UK, US, and Canada. Imagine it's such a great melting pot for people to come together and to experience a lovely, lovely holiday all together. The reason why they love us is because we have taken care of everything. Right from the time you land, your airport transfers on the first and the last day of the trip, to your porterage when you check into the hotel, to your sightseeing, as I said, you don't have to wait at key monuments. These are all VIP experiences that you get. When it comes down to the hotels, they are right in the heart of the city. When it comes down to meals, special experiences like Be My Guest, everything is taken care. And this is something that is the reason why people keep coming back to us every year, year on year. And that's why we have 53% repeat ratio happening. And that's not the only thing. It's not just Europe that we offer. There are many more destinations that we offer. Apart from Europe, we have USA and Canada. We have Africa. We also travel to Asia. We also travel to South Pacific. And that is something that we are very proud of because, as I said, we cover 70 countries, but the biggest thing is we cover 7 continents when you're traveling. When it comes down to, holidays, a lot of people always will say, I love the way you guys are offering things, but how much do I need to pay? So as we very proudly say, get more vacation for less, because on Trafalgar, you have various ways of saving this. If you book early, you have an early payment discount. If somebody who's a young traveler, that person gets up to 10%. Somebody who's between 5 to 17 gets a young traveler discount. If you're sharing a room, if you have 4 people, we have trips called Family Experience where you can share a room up to 4 people. But mind you, it has to be 2 adults and 2 children. Again, the child age is from 5 to 17. If you're traveling in a group, you have a group discount. If you've come to us, you've traveled with us in the past, you get a VIP discount and also a multi-trip discount. So all in all, it's a great value for somebody who's looking to travel on Trafalgar. But that's not all. That's not all what we do. Given the current scenarios, your well-being is our priority. Now, when it comes down to holidays, we want you to have the ability to book with confidence. We are giving you 3-step approach to travel with confidence. First is your holiday reassurance. As a TTC, it's a privately held debt-free company. Your money is absolutely safe, and that is being reassured by the management for people who are coming and booking with us. We have a flexible change plan. So if you book, you pay for your holiday, and in 30 days, if you want your money back from the time of booking, we will help you with that. So that is something that we are definitely always there to help you with in terms of flexible change. When it comes down to traveling per se, there are 3-step approach that we have. Step 1, always have a support team. Step 2 is distancing and hygiene protocols, which will be maintained while you embark on our trip, and incident response. Our travel directors are always there. Our support team, which is there for 24/7 to take care of any untoward circumstances or situation that might arise. And to handle this, we have appointed a well-being director. Because it's an industry innovation for 2021 travel and beyond. A dedicated well-being director will be added on all our trips of 20 or more guests, excluding Australia and New Zealand, though, at this moment. They will support the travel director and driver, coach captain, by remaining up to date with the latest health authority and local government guidelines. So these well-being directors will be there throughout. They will ensure that distancing and hygiene protocol is taken care, on-road protocols are taken care. We have, in fact, taken care to pick and choose partners which will deliver exceptional standards while you're traveling with us. We have made sure that, they are responsible for quality assurance of the venues and supplies. during each journey our guests embark on. As I said, we are there to help 24/7 in case if there's any circumstances, any untoward incidents that happen, to take care of the coach. All in all, that's what the whole good life is all about, ladies and gentlemen. This is what our guests will experience while they're traveling on Trafalgar. But before I leave you, I definitely want to share with you all the lovely insight or lovely destinations that Trafalgar embarks on. After this video, we will move on to the cost saver element. So here is Trafalgar with the lovely destinations that we cover.
Sanjay, would you be open for some questions in the middle?
Sure, after the video. Thank you. All right, question time.
Thank you, Sanjay. This was really an excellent presentation and lovely videos. I think everybody's quite excited. And for me, most importantly, would be that, when can we start traveling? And that would be the first question to come here.
Sure. See, when can we start traveling? I'm sure rules vary from country to country. I understand from Dubai, there are countries which have opened up for you to travel. We have definite departures happening from October. There's a huge range of departures which are definite. But however, having said that, if you have a small group which you want to operate of 10 or 12 people to a particular destination, please do reach out to us. Even if you have 2 or 4 people, just drop in a line. There could be a possibility we might just operate. There might be other 4 people waiting in queue to jump on to that particular destination. So to answer your question, if there's any destination that is open and you feel that, okay, this is the destination which is open, our flights are on, there is an understanding between UAE or the local countries with the country of origin to the country of destination, there's an understanding, reach out to us and we will definitely let you know what are the departure dates that are open. I hope I answer your question.
Yes, Sanjay, that's great. Sanjay, just to add there, will I need to have a COVID-19 vaccination done before I'm allowed to travel with Trafalgar, or what would be the formality because vaccination is quite a key now?
It is. See, the thing is, before even you get on Trafalgar, there are a lot of other people that you need to face, and that would be your immigration officer, your airline, and the local authorities, right? What I understand from a general perspective that I'm saying is more than Trafalgar, obviously we require, we follow guidelines as per the local authorities, but quite a lot of countries have different rules. What is general rule is, I think, vaccinated, I mean, fully vaccinated with RT-PCR. I think these are the two rules. Again, some countries are saying you need to be fully vaccinated. You should be able to prove and show that you're fully vaccinated. Some countries say that you need RT-PCR. Some countries say both. Whichever country of your destination is from the origin, you need to check on the rules. Once you follow that, we accept that as well.
Right. That's great to know, Sanjay.
Thanks, Sanjay. Sorry, Monish, I just want to have an extension to the same question. Sanjay, like you rightly said, there are rules applicable to every country by destination. So, of course, it's our ownership to find those rules out. But just as an example, this morning, Austria has opened up for GCC residents and
Wow.
citizens.
Wow.
Now, this is one country which has very specifically mentioned that two vaccinations, of course, are mandatory, but the children under the age of 18 can travel without vaccination with vaccinated passengers. So, no, sorry, vaccinated parents. So, my question here is, does Trafalgar have any terms and conditions? Does Trafalgar insist that the children should also be vaccinated or anything of that sort, or it is the country rules which apply?
It is the country rule. So we also have a section which the customer will feed up. We understand that, not everybody, like if you're traveling with somebody who's a 7-year-old, that person is not getting vaccinated. Not every country is vaccinating. I mean, I don't know any country which is vaccinating a 7-year-old, right? And
Correct.
So that rule might change. That might be a different case. But yes, we follow the country rule. Also, if you give me, like, for example, Austria as a specific example, we will write into you with all the details that we are following on our vaccination guideline.
Okay, great.
I hope
Sorry, Sanjay, I
I
have
am able to
another
answer.
question. Yes, yes, Sanjay. Yes, I just wanted to understand that, there's only the country rules that we need to follow, and there's no specific
Yes.
product related terms and conditions.
No, we follow the local government rules.
Perfect. Okay. Sanjay, I have another question, again, based on a few questions that are being posted on the chat on the open destinations, open itineraries. You mentioned that most of your itineraries have some fixed departures starting October. But as you're aware, destinations like Italy, France, Spain, now, of course, Austria, Switzerland, they have opened up for GCC citizens and residents. We did see some departures in July as well, and August. Now, are you not mentioning them because these are not definite departures?
No, we have it. I'm saying definite departures are from October. At this point of time, we have departures all the way from July, August, September. We do have. So if you have anybody, that's why I said, if you have any 2 or 4, do reach out to us. It could be a possibility that there are other people waiting to jump on this, but because it's not definite, they are not waiting. And HQ might say, okay, we have enough strength to operate this trip, and we might just make it definite.
Okay, perfect.
Sanjay, Nathan here, Sanjay.
Hi, Nathan. Thank you,
How are you?
Raki. Good. How are you?
Sorry, before someone else asks you a question, I thought of jumping into it because on the same
Please.
thing for the definite departure. Now I have a client query. In August, we can see the Swiss departures are definite and some are even sold out.
Yeah.
So are they a guaranteed departure based on the website and are we still able to sell it?
If they're sold out, they're
Now one
sold
is
out.
sold out, 7th of August to 15th of August. Best of Switzerland, it says it's a definite departure.
Oh, then it will operate.
They'll operate, right?
Oh, yes, they will operate. See, we will not make a definite departure until unless we have enough people who have embarked on it. Okay. Now, understand this website is global, and there are a lot of our American friends who are booking their holidays and they're looking forward to travel. Okay. Based on that, I mean, people have booked on it, and that's why we made it a definite departure.
Okay. Sure. Thank you.
Amir, you
Thank
have a
you.
question. Do you want to unmute yourself?
Just one question. Sorry, can I ask one question? Okay.
Of course, Mr. Amir, please.
Sorry for interruption. Amir here. Actually, I'm selling Trafalgar for last 17, 18 years.
Thank
And
you.
most participants here, they knows me when I was in Janata. My quick question is, first of all, as Raki has referred, I also actually attended one of the webinar from Austrian tourism.
Yeah.
As per the Austrian tourism, they specifically mentioned that if someone is traveling out of Austria to any neighboring country, even to Germany, Switzerland, they need to have another type of PCR, I think, which is like a quick PCR, and that they need stay in that particular country for minimum 3 days, then they can move to jump to another country. This is one question that are you aware of that? Secondly, since the COVID precautions and the USBs, in your buses, how the sitting arrangement would be the same like before COVID, or it will be like one seat empty and one seat person can occupy?
Amir, if thank you firstly, thank you for sparing your time and thank you for selling Trafalgar for so many years. Thanks for your trust and confidence on the brand. Coming to the question, I understand you have two questions. One is about the rules of that particular country while moving from one country to another, and the second is about the coach and the coach occupancy. Am I correct here? Did I hear you properly?
Exactly, yes.
Thank you.
Specifically, coach, sitting arrangement, how it would be.
Sure, sure. I'll come to that. Sure. Okay. So let me attend to the first question here about the destination and their particular rules regarding how you can move to another country. See, situation is fluid. At this point of time, I would love to be an authority to tell you that this is how it is gonna happen. I can't. You need to let me know which country you're looking at. Okay. See, what's happening is our customers or guests who are booking with us, they're telling us the destination. We're checking with the local bodies, our offices, and coming back to them with the accurate information as of today. Okay. And that's what we are percolating. So if you let me know from Austria, which is the other country, I'm sorry if you said and I didn't hear the destination, my apologies. But do let us know what destination they would be planning to jump from Austria to which other country, and I can give you the information after checking up with the local and relevant authorities. We
The
also
hot
request
selling
our
tool The hot selling tools which I'm selling in Trafalgar is like a combination of Switzerland, Austria, Germany, combination of Austria, Switzerland, Italy, and the France. I mean, these are the areas, routes which are really hot selling for the Arab clientele. So
Mhm.
let's say if we have a triangle of Switzerland to Austria and then to Italy or Germany, what will be the rule apply? Because we have 11 days tour. I can see we have 7 days tour.
Amir, I got your point. See, it is a pleasant surprise and a great news that Raki shared right now that Austria is opened up because across us, I mean, in fact, one of uh, the Austrian Tourism Board lady, a lovely Austrian lady, I was speaking to her last week and she was quite unclear on what things are going to be. But what I hear from Raki right now is Austria has opened up. Obviously, I will bring this to the head office as a great source of information and find out what are the rules applicable for GCC market, traveling to Austria and planning to other countries. Allow me to get this information because I don't want to give you any information which is fluid or which is unclear at this point of time. I hope you'll be able to bear with me for a couple of days. Will that be okay, Mr. Amir?
For sure.
Yeah. Now coming to the coach bit, that I can definitely tell you. See, unlike the previous time, where we used to pack it up, obviously even then on Trafalgar, let's say the coach capacity is 48, we would never fill it up to the brim. There probably would be 40 people, 43 people. Okay. Now it has reduced further. Okay. It has reduced further because just to share with you, Italy has a different rule. Every state in Italy has a different rule. How many people should be there on a coach? So what you can definitely look for, I'm not writing it on a piece of paper. What you can look for is there would be adequate spacing of people traveling. Okay, because it is not gonna be a full coach. Whether they will sit one seat empty, because if it's a family traveling, obviously they don't want to keep the seat empty. They want to sit next to each other. Okay, but will we leave a space among between the other family who's traveling from another part of the world? Definitely. That's what the well-being director's job is, to space out, as we say, hygiene and distance protocol. That individual is going to ensure that it is absolutely taken care of. And that's where it's an industry innovation, a well-being director who's going to be continuously there throughout the trip, over and above the travel director, over and above the coach captain, to ensure that hygiene and distancing protocols are followed, because distancing protocols vary from not just from country to country, in fact from state to state. I hope I answered your question, Mr. Ahmed.
Yes, very much. Thank you very much. That's quite
Thank
clear
you,
now.
Amit. Thank you, Sanjay. With the interest of time, I think Sanjay has a few more slides. We will continue with the question and answer sessions. I would request everyone to please post them on the message window, and we will get back to Sanjay with more questions.
Brilliant. Thank you. Sorry, guys.
Sorry, Sanjay. Sorry to interrupt you, but I just have one last question before you
No,
move
Rakhi,
on.
please, please.
Just very quickly, I know some of these tours have already taken place, Sanjay. We've seen some lovely pictures of
Yeah.
people traveling on these tours.
Yeah.
Just a question that are the tours operating with, sightseeings like museums, etc., are open? Or are most of the attractions closed right now?
Okay, so the trip that happened is in US, and we operated. We operated way back in March. We operated the first trip for Americans coming into Egypt, and at that point of time, Egypt was open. Egypt was open. People went to Iceland. We had a trip going to Iceland. Iceland was open. Because there are not many people who are traveling. So it's a restricted number of people coming in any which ways. When the world starts traveling again, what are the rules? How will it be extended period? Will it be reduced timing? Will it be reduced entry? We're just going to wait and watch. But to answer your question, when these trips happened, things were on. Things were on. In fact, we got feedback coming in from people that they felt like VIP royalty. When they walked in, there was nobody. I mean, they could have everything for themselves.
Absolutely.
That's the feedback that we got.
Great. Thank you, Sanjay. I'll let you carry on. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you. But hey, if you guys have any question, please hold it for me. I'm just going to share with you another few slides on cost saver, and I'll be more than happy to answer this question. Yeah. So with that, let's move on to a lovely, lovely young brand called Cost Saver. Okay. And, when we say Cost Saver, we have something that we share with you, and that is, travel memories don't have to cost the earth. You don't have to really give your arm and a leg to travel on a holiday, because with Cost Saver, we follow the following principle, which is essentials by us and tailored by you. What does this mean? This means you can choose the ultimate unpackaged tour. Unpackaged, right? Normally you would have heard about what is a package, a guided or a package tour and things like that. But we say unpackaged tour. The unpackaged tour, the reason being, when we say unpackaged tour, what we are saying? We're saying we will provide you essentials, and you also have a chance to tailor the trip. Now, when we say tailor the trip, there are two connotations, and I would like to take a little pause here to explain you in detail, because I do have a few of the agents calling me later and saying, you said you can tailor the itinerary. Okay, I have an inquiry for 2 people to go to. Now, when we say tailored by you, what we're saying is, on a Cost Saver, you have guided holidays, okay, where the essentials are provided by us, and I'm going to cover what essentials we are covering. And after the essentials are taken care, you have a chance to tailor the balance portion the way you want, which means the itinerary is fixed, the departure dates are fixed, the route is fixed, the traveling is fixed. For example, Rome, Florence, Venice, it's fixed. In Rome on day one, after our essentials are covered, what is the balance is where you can tailor. So that is on Cost Saver. But if you have a group, which I'll come to on the later part of our slides, we will welcome them as well, and I'll share with you what the details are. So, essentials by us, tailored by you, that is the unpackaged guided holidays, which we talk. Now, we travel to Europe, USA, Latin America, Asia, Africa, and there's a lovely destination which is coming soon for all of you all. Now, when we say, okay, essentials by us, what do we mean? We mean a perfect itinerary, which is we will prepare. It is there on a Cost Saver brochure and also on the website. All the must-see sightseeings are covered. All your breakfast, your meals are covered. Hotels, 4-star and 3-star that we choose while you're traveling with us. Okay, you have a travel director that will be there with you to share lovely information, insider information, and needless to say, the transportation. Now, where all do we cover? We cover 56 countries and you've got 77 trips. A lot of people will, have this. Do I need to find all my meals or do I need to fend for myself for meals? No. Cost Saver provides you lovely meals. So all your breakfasts are covered and there are few dinners or maybe in place, there might be a lunch or so. Depending on the itinerary, it is covered. So you don't have to worry. Also, you get enough time. You also have a chance to experience the local culture, local cuisine. In terms of hotels, there are, great hotels that we use when you're traveling on Cost Saver. As I can showcase to you a few of the hotels that we are using. If you're looking at the screen, uh, needless to say, it's a class apart when you're traveling on Cost Saver. It is just not the name. When it comes down to our destination experts, our travel guides, these are our travel directors who will be there with you. Now, as you know, Trafalgar and Cost Saver, are our sister concerns. When you're traveling on a Cost Saver, it's neat that you will get a rookie tour manager or rookie travel director traveling with you. These guys who travel with you are also the guys who travel on Trafalgar. So they are the ones who, jump from one coach to another after they finish their trip. So these are experienced travel directors. When it comes down to coach, you have a lovely coach also. It's a very classic coach that you use when you're traveling with us. Now, when I say tailored by you, okay, basically after the essentials are covered, you get a chance to tailor your trip. Okay. It could be when you're traveling, you can choose the sightseeing. You can choose on that particular evening what you want to do, whether you want to go and look at the nature, you want to go and experience the history, or you just want to go photography. You know, uh, Maybe you might be traveling with your loved ones and might want to take them out on a date, or probably as a family want to go out and try something local or just relax. We've got everything as an option available for you. Okay, after the key ingredients are covered in that particular destination, you have a choice of picking up whatever you feel. And that's why we say when you choose to travel, choose Cost Saver, because Cost Saver is a budding as it's a very young, energetic way of traveling for people between anywhere from 35 and above. So there's a lot of things happening when you're traveling on Trafalgar. And if you want to know more about it, you can see the reviews that have been posted on our website. Now, again, when you come onto Cost Saver website, you will see it's a great way to look because when it comes down to Cost Saver, everything is online. Okay. In fact, our brochures, our new interactive brochures, it gives you a glance of what we are covering, where we are going. You just have to click and it opens up to share with you the smallest detail that you would be looking for to impress upon your guest. Okay. And this is the greatest asset that we have to start a conversation with your clients about Cost Saver. There is also a learning app, a learning module, which is coming soon. So we have a travel advisor resource hub, which will be coming soon on our Cost Saver agent reference guide. We will share the details with you as soon as we have that thing uploaded on our system. One more thing that you need to remember when it comes down to Cost Saver is all the rates that are mentioned on our Cost Saver website are ready, set, go rates. What do I mean by that? Means these are dynamic rates and you need to be very quick to pick those seats because as demand increases, I'm sure you would agree the prices are going to change. So it's a humble request. If you see an itinerary which your guest like, if you see a pricing, if you have a departure date which is open, which is definite, please go ahead and book. The other thing that I would like to share with you is don't worry about you seeing a departure which is not definite. Okay. Don't worry because until unless somebody books on it, it's never going to get definite. So go ahead. You might be the first person to make it a definite because what I'm trying to say is there might be 5 or 6 people. I'm just giving you a vague example. Please don't take the numbers as actual and or as a rule of thumb. There is a departure on which we've got 5 people. I just probably need 2 more people to come in to make it definite. And because you're not booking or somebody is not booking, seeing it's not definite, it's not getting definite. So it could just happen that you might have 2 people who say, okay, let me go on this departure date, on this destination and departure date, book, and it turns into a definite. So that also could be a possibility besides getting great rates when you see it on our website. So make sure that you pick up the rates while you're traveling. Now, again, when it comes down to pricing, Cost Saver, always pride itself in providing unbeatable value to us without compromise. The quality we provide is something we continue to take pride in. We provide it at an exceptional value. Again, needless to say, there are 3 things that we also follow on Cost Saver. I've explained it to you always. Step 1, which is always on support team. Step 2 is distancing and hygiene protocols. And step 3 is 24/7 incident reporting. So again, when you're traveling on Cost Saver, don't worry. Everything is taken care. Everything is taken care. Coming to groups, somebody who's planning to have a small family get together or a group of people traveling, you might want to look at Cost Saver. We welcome small groups here. Okay, we are very, very happy to curate the essentials of every Cost Saver tour, including accommodation, transport, city tours, plenty of meals. And then your group can tailor any trip with the wide variety of exciting options that we have, So it will be a great option for all types, because when you're traveling on a group, everybody has different aspiration, everybody is looking to do something different. If within the group itself, somebody would want to go and eat outside, somebody would want to go and do some photography. We cater to all these aspects. Uh, if you look at a Cost Saver itinerary, if you see the options that are available while you're traveling with us, it's huge. It can be art, it can be music, it can be various other things that they're looking at. As simple as going out and having a drink, or probably sitting by and enjoying the world go by, or doing some photography. Everything is available. What I wanted to share with you and what we've been seeing here, and I'm sure in that part of the world also that could be happening, is we're seeing more and more people who are traveling. This is just a tip and trick which we've seen here. I'm sharing with you. People traveling on cruises are eventually looking at doing something like a Cost Saver holiday with a lot of option to do things on their own. People who wanted to do customization, FIT, are looking at this. Why? Because, the rules of the land are changing constantly, and people want to make sure that they are, people want to make sure that they are in hand of people, or they are with people who know the destination in and out. And that's the reason why people are looking at Cost Saver. They're customizing the groups. Obviously, needless to mention, people with various other aspirations while they're traveling, they want somebody to take care of all their aspirations. That's where Cost Saver comes. Now, just to repeat again, what all we have, we've got 56 countries and we've got 77 trips for you to choose from. If you need anything for your groups, please write into us. You let us know what your group wants, and we'll be more than happy to do it for you. With that, ladies and gentlemen, I'm ready to take the questions again. Please do let me know how can I be of help. And here I'm gonna stop sharing the screen and switch my video on so I can see. Now.
Thank you, Sanjay. This was really great presentation, and thanks for giving us all the flexibility and the good options to choose from. I think for me and the whole team here, everybody would agree that it is easier for us to now understand that we can also participate in Trafalgar tours with smaller numbers, with private groups. And I think this is going to be the way forward. From our part of the world, we generally have large families who travel together with a minimum of 5 to 7 passengers, sometimes 10 and 12. And it becomes very much easier for us rather than building the whole itinerary. I'm sure all the consultants here, all the agents who are participating today will agree that it's easy to just take one package of Trafalgar and leave the job to you guys to take care of everything else. So I leave the forum open now. Please raise your hand or feel to unmute yourself, and please feel free to ask us our questions.
Any questions for me, guys? Any?
Sanjay, while somebody picks up the question, just to add, if Cost Saver and Trafalgar, if you would be able to tell us what would be an average difference in terms of pricing, and how easy it is for one to add on that one is missed out with a Trafalgar package if they want to take a Cost Saver and add an excursion in it. Like you said, once you are done with your essentials, you could add any more. So if you could just tell us in just 2 lines how that difference would be and how can one do it?
More than price, Monish, I will give you the aspirational difference of Trafalgar and Cost Saver. Okay. I'll come to the price bit also because it is arithmetic and one needs to know what is the price difference. But before I come on to the price, when it comes down to Trafalgar, Trafalgar is well suited for somebody who says, add everything up for me. Okay. I don't want to know. So I start my day at 8 o'clock. I end my day at 5 o'clock. Maybe I might just step out. Maybe I might not step out. Kind of those kind of a target audience. When it comes down to cost saver is for people who say, okay, 8 to probably 3:34, I'm done with the sightseeing now, travel director. Okay, you have given me a choice between going out for a music concert or going out to eat somewhere or going and visiting this place. Either I join that or I can tell the travel director, you know what, hang on a minute. I am in Valencia and I want to do ABC things. Yeah. Or I'm in Madrid and I want to go to the oldest restaurant of the world. How do I do that? And that person will be more than happy to chalk it out for you. Okay. And there you pick up your family, your friends, whoever you're traveling with, and you go to that place and you come back. So it becomes a lovely mixture of unpackaged tour, okay, when it comes down to cost saver. Trafalgar is an absolutely package holidays, okay, an absolute package holiday. Coming to the price point, Trafalgar price point, I would say an average pricing is 2,200, 2,300. When it comes down to a cost saver, it is 1,800. Okay, but again, it varies. I'm talking of average pricing. If you look at my picturesque Portugal, or if you look at my Wonders of Turkey is what, $1,000+. If you look at picturesque Portugal, again, $1,000+. So it depends on what destination you're looking at. I've got guests who went on pictures Portugal and Kosovo. They have been regular Trafalgar travelers. Okay. These guys, it's a family of lawyers who have been traveling with Trafalgar for years now. And 2019, they embarked on pictures Portugal and they just loved it. The reason why they loved it is not because Trafalgar was bad or any sense of that way, but they loved it because they said, you know what, Sanjay, we've got to do whatever you guys had added, but at the same time, me and my wife could just step out after the trip is over and enjoy ourselves. Okay. In Trafalgar, it's all laid out for you, structure. That is what the difference is. So it's all about the aspiration. I hope I answered your question, Manish.
Yes, Sanjay, you did. Thank you. Thank you so much for that.
Great. I mean, by the time somebody's thinking on a question bit, I sincerely apologize for the tech challenge when we started our presentation. The weather has been a little dodgy. It's been raining in this part of the world. So, you know how network can go a little haywire. So again, apologies for the inconvenience in the beginning.
No, we understand, Sanjay. We truly understand.
How can I help? Any questions for me? Great. We're gonna hang on for another 3 minutes. Don't want to keep you away from your things. I think what time is it, Monish, over there?
It's 4:10, Sanjay.
4:10. So another 40, 50 minutes before you call it a day?
Yes.
Or no?
Good 45 minutes to an hour, Sanjay, depending on to the agencies. Some are till
Okay.
5:30, some are till 7 as well.
All right. So I don't want to hold them up. I'm sure they want to wrap up things and move back to enjoy. It's not a weekend though. For
No,
us, it's the first day of the week. For you guys, it's the second, I assume.
yes.
So great, guys. Do let me know if you have any questions. I'm hanging on. Otherwise, you have Monish's email ID, Firoz's email ID. Please do reach out. Nathan's email ID. Please do reach out to them with a CC to me, and we'll be more than happy to answer your questions.
Thank you, Sanjay.
Looking forward to welcoming your guest on Trafalgar. If there's any chance you guys have any group, you need any help, you can trust on a company which is 101-year-old. We know the destination in and out, so please write into us and we'll be more than happy to quote.
Sanjay, just an extension to what we've been discussing the whole day today. I know there's been a lot of updates on countries opening up and where to travel and what visas and how do we go about it. If somebody who selected a Trafalgar tour, which is 2 countries, and due to changes and restrictions, how can one change that only to a single country and still make his travel successful with Trafalgar?
So what I understand is somebody books for a multi-country right now, let's say Swiss Austria, okay?
Yes.
And then they want to switch to a mono destination.
Yes.
They can.
They can.
They can, yeah. 30 days prior, you can. 30 days
Perfect.
prior, you can, without any problem.
Because Sanjay, currently anybody who's applying for Schengen visa, it's limited only to 1 country. So he might have to apply to 2 countries. So they can switch to mono destinations and there will be more options available in the mono destination for the number of days.
We would say have a look at our mono destination because that is something which is picking up. So looking forward for a brilliant season ahead, guys. Thank you so much for joining us. It was a pleasure. It was a pleasure.
Thank you, Sanjay. Thank
have
you.
you guys back again.
Just to add on to everybody's interest, Trafalgar has some amazing tours available in Ireland, and especially the Ashford Castle that Sanjay showed us is been of great interest to even our local clientele because of the falconry that they have there. And it is very much of interest to the locals that they would like to stay in a Ashford Castle in such a royal luxury there and going back in time, also enjoying the falconry, the horse riding and various other experiences there. We can customize those tours. We can ask for extensions at the Ashford Castle, and all of this can be worked out even for smaller groups, as small as even 12 people, that if you would like to invite a family or just a small group of friends, 12 of them would like to have this tour, we could do that. We also encourage and we are also able to customize tours and also create dedicated tours for women only passengers. So if you have specifically a ladies group or a women only passenger group that you would like to host for a customer, and if they want something which is exclusively related to them, yes, we could do that as well. We also can focus on certain destinations with certain exceptional itineraries where the Be My Guest experience with a unique experience at the Guinness, which is one of the greatest things that they also offer in Ireland. We do something especially in Italy. All of these can be customized and can be created during the visit for your guest, especially when it's a private tour. And of course, you will also get the entire assistance of the travel director and the well-being director, which is handholding at all times. So please feel free to reach us. Our team is always available here locally. You have our contact details. Also, Sanjay and his team, everyone is available almost every time. You all can just reach out to their website, look for itineraries, book there if you want to, and then you can reach out to us and we can fulfill the entire requirement. So thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, Sanjay and the extended team from India. Thank you to all our participants and agents from all over GCC. It's a great pleasure to have everyone to be a part of this wonderful session. And we look forward for one more happening, Sanjay, post Eid, maybe somewhere close to August, September. With more destinations opening up, we could discuss more opportunities.
More than happy to do it anytime that you guys want. You've been a lovely audience. Thank you, Monish, for arranging it. Thank you, Donata team. And thank you, everybody who's present right now. Thank you so much.
We are here for a couple of minutes. If anybody wants to stay back, ask any questions, unmute yourself. Whoever wants to leave and get back to work, please feel free. Thank you.
Thank you again.